Is the flash. Like the character. We can choose the like the joy. I feel like it's gonna joy. I'm gonna eat some flash. I just got chocolate. Great. Okay, po. Choose and pick up the dirt. That dirty six dirt. I'm gonna. Yeah. What's that, dude? I feel on our space from the key. What a wonderful creature. Oh, I need to pack up emerald. I want milk. Hey, bro, I want to trade with that villager with some milk. Let's find some emeralds. Down. I little spider. I got two more. Steps. Braver. Skip all of the forts. Perfect. What? A clock. I thought block. Yeah. There's bro. This is stuck of Next.
Hi, Mai. Ay, dali ko na. Oh.
Chok! Chok, wait! Bakit yung ano mo? I'm sorry. Bakit yung stick mo onti lang? So, bakit stick mo onti lang? Pwede siya? Yummy! He likes it. Oh.
Hey, Daddy.
You have a wooden sword and pickaxe. Just wait. Ah, dirt.
Yung pink.
Hindi kami natin. Dapat ako muna yung madami. Tapos saka yung, yung sauce lang. Dali na! I need to chop some. That was that. Mile. Perfect.
Abot. Sorry. Abot.
No. No, be quiet, Mile. Be quiet. Anna. Bunso. Do the different weather.
Bakit, baby?
Gina.
Inaan mo kasi yung sounds.
Bunso. Different weather.
Bunso, different weather daw. Asan na yung headband mo? Ay, mapupunta yung mac and cheese sa buhok mo.
Bunso, please do the different weather.
Yung ano pala. Ayun.
Ano who's done? Sino done? Ano sabi ni Bunso?
Iba na lang yung weather. Resume. Hindi ko dito. Respond. Ay, here comes the air.
No! I hate this! Bunso! My design! Tulo yung design ko. Come back here.
Ano na? Nandiyan na?
bang kilo ng ano? Yun, magkano yung kilo?
Mark, can you help me?
Magkano yung kilo ng isa? Hindi mo na kasi tinanong eh.
Please, Mom. Please, I accept you. I just accept it.
Nagre-record ka, di ba? They will hear you.
No, no, Spider, no, get out.
Nakuha ka sa kanina.
So short. This is so short. My pretty house is short. Yes, but I want you to help me fix my design. Ako sama sa'yo. Kamay, ano wait mo na so? Kasi
Finding us a new place where I can build a pink house. Right?
a kingdom.
Oh, this is small, simple house for us too.
But my pretty pink house.
We're gonna build a new pretty pink house.
Really?
Yes. Look mo, ang dami ng pink logs, di ba?
You have so many pink logs.
Yes.
I have so many brown logs. Oh, you have any pink? Come here, come. Give me some
Okay.
leather. You didn't drop leather armor. Why do you didn't drop leather? Not again this weather. Not this weather again. Nice, I'd like you before.
Okay, clear. Login.
Bakit nag-teleport ako? Whoa! What's up?
Hoy,
A skeleton is shooting me.
wala.
That one. You just came here in the back, or went that way, or different ways.
Oh, I found a new village. I found a new village.
And I stick in my stomach, and I see that's just the same village.
I think so too. Or not. I think this is a new village.
What's that? Look at this.
Is it the same village? No,
Look at
I think it's the same
Can
village.
you look at this. Did you want? Putting more. Putting more. Can I stomach?
Sure, maybe this will be our new place. I like.
Sure,
Ito.
that's perfect. Our old one is so old. Wait, let me just get all of my stuff. Oh no, my all stuff is here.
What, Baba?
I cannot all of my stuff. How can I carry the chest?
Diyan ka muna. You wait lang, okay? Diyan ka na.
Like sparkle though. What is this?
Oh, man. Galang kamay na.
Mm.
Where's my keep with the beans? My screen. My screen is dark.
Princess na nakakatanong. Anong gusto mo kainin? Kumain ka ba?
And stop like. Okay? Gonna go the then
Yes.
press. Okay. Okay.
What are you doing?
Singing. Eh,
Cobblestone.
ito nga yung spot na.
Pwede yung empty po. And I want to bring my chest.
Wait lang, baba.
Don't forget your bed.
Don't pick my bed. Yep.
I already break my bed.
What?
Come here. Park. Go here. Whole village. I need tons of milk, Emerald. That's hard. Okay. Oh, thank you. Bunso, the villager, ano with me. Trade. I got this. I got these cool logs. Let's have us.
I'm finding us a spot.
Huh?
Finding us a spot where I will build.
Just trying to chop.
Where I know where to put this. I'm gonna teleport to here and let's continue tomorrow, okay?
Oh, but I want to bring my chest.
Oh, I'm gonna give you some. Baba, para muna. Aray ko. Gosh.
La.
Slash the player magenta slash the player magenta oh, box. Where's our house? House.
I think get this stuff.
Let me see if this will work, okay? I'm gonna put here is one, two beds. Let me see if I break. Wow.
All of my stuff in the chest also.
Here,
Wag yung man na stuff
Here.
ko sa ano, sa...
here. Wait lang. Let's wait for a bit. This is important. Okay.
Oh, I'm putting them.
What? So dami. Only the important one.
Don't forget my pretties.
So,
Don't forget my tools na. Red, yellow, blue, green.
number 3. Bro.
Don't forget these.
Oh. Ito, need mo pa yan?
Opo.
Why? That's important.
I need them.
Okay, okay. Let's see if it will work. Yep, it did. Nice. May mga stuff dyan. May mga stuff mo. Okay? Sure ba may mga stuff pa? Do you want something here?
Yung video, ay nung
Wala. Okay, it's time to teleport.
I'm gonna teleport
There,
sila.
there. Guy. Yo, yo, yo.
But
Flush.
I need to.
Weather. Here. Done.
Wait lang, mommy. Wait lang. I'm just gonna fix my inventory.
Gonna find pa ng spot. But, I'm done na. Tomorrow na ako get, okay? Stay by yourself na lang muna ng siya ito. Okay? Bye. I'm already 6.
Mas mabagal. Alam, di ba Hmm? Paid and up account?
we got? Oh, well, love you, Bunso. Nakita na tayo. Three. Here's one. I think I have a pack of emeralds. Let's play with the future. A spider! I want to mahal kay Bunso, na-dead ako. Paano ako magbubak doon?
Hmm. Baba, mag-giant bunso ka na lang muna. I can't teleport you there. Baba, come here po. Mag-giant bunso ka na muna because wala si bunso yan. Okay? Pag kasama lang si bunso, pwede tele. Giant bunso ka muna.
Oh no! So guys, that's for today's video. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like,